Hello and welcome everybody. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can go ahead and erase the watch to the factory setting. There's two ways for you to do this. The first way is to do this on the actual phone. To do this, what you have to do is just bring this to the side, type in watch, press on search, press on watch once again, scroll all the way where it says general, and now we're going to go all the way to the bottom of the screen and press on reset over here, and press over here erase all content and setting. Next thing you want to do is unpair the actual watch. To do this, what you have to do is pretty simple. Press on all watches. Next, you're going to be pressing on this thing right here, and after you press on this button, press on Unpair Apple Watch, and then press on Unpair the actual Apple Watch itself. First thing, enter the password in there, then press on the crown button right here, go all the way here, go all the way at the bottom where it says reset, press on this once, and press on erase all content, and then press on the password, and then it's going to say all media will be erased, and then press on erase all.